Alright, Nikki Brown here, no matter where you are, what part of the world you are in. I hope that you are having a good day. So we took our Italian mix, our baby spinach, and our tricolor coleslaw, and made one big salad. And we can use this just as a salad, or we can put it on a wrap, which is what I'm about to do. Okay, first I'm starting with putting down some Sir Kensington's vegan mayo. Next, I added a little bit of onion and some of these petite snacking tomatoes. Next, I added a little bit of avocado and some sliced cucumber. Next, I added some of the spicy chicken vegan patties by Boca, and I cut those up in fours, and I added that. And finally, I added a little bit of my salad mix, salt, pepper, and I'm going to add a little bit of this Bragg's vinaigrette. And that is it. I hope that this was helpful. Love y'all. Later.